because facility is right in the center. Right in the center.
哎，我现在好像推上。
Right, have a big facility. Most of our.
哎呀，啊，我好像推上去了。
And sheet metal.
因为它现在提示的是停止推流那块儿，不最开始是开始推流嘛，现在是提示的是停止推流。我看看，没有啊，那个框还是哎，我看啊，啊对，连接状况极佳，提示的是连接状况极佳，对，直播中嘛，不提示直播中，这是40多秒，40多秒啊，现在提示的是对连接状况极佳。连接状况极佳，对，那应该是推上去了，因为我现在能够看到是停止推流这个，我也是试了点了好几次，哦，现在好像确实是推上去了。对，推上去了，在那个什么在里边那个框里边已经有了，在 YouTube 那个就是这个直播的这个 Studio 里边已经有了，直播中的现在是。行。
For our cutting center.
行 ，OK， 我看一下，你们这会儿也可以看一下，看看这个连的这个卡不卡什么的，你们也可以在办公室也可以看一下。那我就让他推个半小时呗，是吧？行
，Fully automatic loading device for horizontal 4-layer fully automatic 4-point welding machine. This is a machine that we first introduced in this market among many of other firsts, and also this is especially for mass production requirement in UPVC window industry. Later we will show you the machine ready for dispatch to North America, because this is more suitable for North America market, where they have a big volume as well as standard window size. For example, 5 by 6 feet, or 6 by 6 feet, or 6 by 7 feet. Many they are building as a standard product where they can be sold in supermarket like Lowe's or Home Depot or Sears, like this type of chain stores. And these are our regular multi-head welding machine. Yeah, this is our high-end welding machine. We have 2-head, 3-head, 4-head, this type of welding machine, which we can automatic switch from normal welding to seamless welding on UPVC window profiles. This is a machine that in the last week, our online live show, we have been demonstrating the big capacity double head welding machine with the corner cleaning function, the surface cleaning function. And these are the machines that we are building right now. So you can only see the machine frames, the machine bed. And these are our regular welding machine, our standard regular welding machine. Actually, the demand of this type of machine in China is becoming less and less right now, because more customers are asking for fully automatic line already. But for international market, we are still, promoting this type of regular machine. It's more economical. It's it's actually very good for basic startup window companies. And for the regular welding machine, we also have 2 types, with normal welding as well as with seamless welding. So both versions we will introduce. Yeah, both versions we will introduce to our customers. So let's continue. Here you can see our horizontal 4-layer welding machine ready for delivery to North America, to North America market. Yeah, this is a machine ready for dispatch with 4 layers welding, and especially we have specially fine engineered welding fixtures. One set of welding fixture can accommodate 5 types of different profiles. 5 types of different profiles without any changing of welding fixtures. This is our unique design. It's our unique design. And here you can see our double layer welding line. Our double layer welding line. This is the welding machine. Yeah, this is the welding machine which we are going to show in later stage, the live demonstration, and also connecting with a fully automatic CNC corner cleaning machine with 4 head CNC corner cleaning machine. Yeah, so that the production capacity can be balanced. Double layer welding, every time welding 2 frames, connecting with 4 layer welding machine, 4 layer, 4 head CNC corner cleaning machine, 4 head CNC corner cleaning machine. And here is our regular water slot milling machine, double head water slot milling machine. Yeah, double head water slot milling machine. And then inside you can see our lock hole processing machine. Lock hole processing machine. Double head water slot milling machine. Every time you can do the milling of two water slots at one time. This will save you a lot of time and improve your production efficiency. This is also becoming a standard product that we introduced in the market. This is our multi-head drilling machine. Multi-head drilling machine for the installation holes. And coming to this part is our best-selling machine, best-seller. Single head CNC corner cleaning machine. Single head CNC corner cleaning machine. In the last week already, we have already shown the live demo of this machine also. And continue the next, our regular cutting machine. Our regular cutting machine. Yeah, it's a regular cutting machine in the display. And the next machine we are under assembly is the first fully automatic machining center all over China. This has a function of automatic steel reinforcement screwing, fastening on the UPVC frame and the sash, and then automatically transfer to the drilling station for the installation holes, and then automatically transfer to the drilling of your lock hole device, and then fully automatic water slot milling. So all the functions, all the requirement after cutting, before welding, all the functions can be accomplished just in one machine. Yeah, this is we are going to launch in the next 2 months' time. And this is our fully automatic glazing bead cutting center. Every time we can cut 8 pieces of glazing bead. This is also a kind of increasing demand in China market. And this is our featured machine, double layer welding machine that we are going to show you the demonstration, the live demonstration. Okay, and then we will introduce in the later stage. And this is the machine under assembly, double layer welding. Yeah, double layer welding machine. Yeah, we have the finished machine, and also we have semi-finished machine. And here we are under assembly, fully automatic cutting center. The last week already we have shown a fully finished machine. Now that machine is already delivered. A new machine under construction now. A new machine under construction now. So you can see here, you can see our linear bearing system. We are widely using the linear bearing system in all of our machines. Yeah, there are a lot of advantages. The last time even we have already introduced. You can see there's a shoulder here, so it will not make any tilting in any degree. It will always staying up. It's always staying up, and the load of this linear bearing is very high. It can load very heavy duty. Only heavy duty machine you will use this type of linear bearing device. Yeah, the cost of it is calculated by millimeter. It's very high and accurate component. And then here is the main gantry bridge of our cutting center. Again, we are using the square linear bearing system. Yeah, and this is exit part, offloading part of this fully automatic CNC cutting center. Yeah, so this is about currently the machines we are building at the moment.
Okay, so thanks a lot for showing us around in the workshop. So now, as many audience in our live showroom may have a rough understanding about Fenstek. So here I have a question, Renchi. So what is the Fenstek market standing?
Yes, so from our factory tour, I think you can understand already. Yeah, we have many first already, the first introduced in this industry. So in the past over 20 years, we are always in the leading position in China window industry, especially in the UPVC window industry. And we can assure that most of our customers' production volume, it will be between 300 to 500 windows per 8 hours shift. This type of window companies are also in the leading position in the window industry. Yeah, most of their clients will be big real estate companies like Banco, or Evergrande, or Poly, Greentown, or Greenland. These are kind of nationwide leading real estate companies as well. So this is kind of reflective of our market standing.
Okay, so what about your international market?
In international market, actually we started marketing in the year 2003. At that time, we are marketing heavily in our domestic industry. At the same time, we already received a lot of inquiry from overseas customers. And then we start to think, why not we especially introduce some model, especially for international market, because international customers also has the demand of reducing the cost and let the machines be more affordable.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why at that time we started the international marketing, and also up to now we have already exported to over 77 countries all over the world, with over 3,000 customers, with 3,000 customers base, and we have our own office based in India. Asia part we have India, and also Thailand. We have our office in America continent, also in Toronto, North America, and also in Mexico.
Yes.
And in Central America we have in Guatemala. South America we have in Brazil, and also in this Oceania part we have in Australia. So we have been covering all over the world as well.
Okay, so thanks for your explanation, Renchi. So here I think many of the orders or new fabricators, they have the same doubt with me. There are so many brands for the window machines in the market. So why we should choose Fenstek?
Yeah, here we want to give you very strong reason. 3 very strong reasons. First, history, or we can say brand.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to build, in the past over 20 years, we want to build a direct connection between Fenstek and window machine.
Yes.
Yeah, we want to be the first, the brand that the people immediately can speak about when you talk about window machinery. Yeah, just like when you talk about mobile phone, you will say, okay, iPhone,
Yes.
or Huawei. When you talk about computer, you will talk about Lenovo.
Yes.
Yeah, when you talk about home appliance, you talk about Haier. This is kind of direct connection that we want to introduce, we want to give to the customers. Why we want to give a direct connection? It shows the confidence. It shows the confidence and assurance, and the assurance to the customer. We are always here. Yeah, we are always here to support you. You don't need to worry about anything. This is not like any other Chinese companies, like, they will follow money. Yeah, where money comes, they will come. Where money goes, and then they will leave. We are not like that. We are always here. Yeah, we have our deep root in this industry. So any customers, you don't need to worry about anything. Just give the work to Fenstek, and then we will deliver to you high-end quality machines.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the first. This is the first reason. Yeah, this is also a very much strong reason, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah, this is absolutely no any other companies can compare with us. Second reason, comparing with any European brand.
Yes, European brand.
Our strong point is the second one, strong price and the performance ratio. Price and the performance ratio. Why? Because we have simplified the design based on the European machines. There are many redundant functions that is not so much necessary. And then we have nationalized the component, so the cost is more affordable. Yeah? And also we have a strong R&D capability. So we can make our own engineering based on our own market conditions. It's more suitable for our market, or it's more suitable for Asian market.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is point number 2. Point number 3, of course, our 6S philosophy, which is smart, specialized, speedy, sincere, steady, support. This is our, no any other companies has this type of philosophy. This is also coming from our long-term working experience and also study period.
Okay. So Renqi, thanks a lot for your detailed introduction about Fenstek. So now I think many friends will know Fenstek and why we choose Fenstek. And so here I have a question for some new fabricators. They may asking about why we should choose the UPVC windows rather than the aluminum windows.
This is also a very good question. Yeah. Today we will introduce very strong point, three points. The main advantage of UPVC windows. Here we will show you the sample. Here we will show you the sample of UPVC window corner, which is much easier to explain the whole process. Here is the UPVC window corner. You can see very clearly. There are many chambers inside. So the first importance of UPVC is strong thermal performance. Means insulation. That's why in most of the European countries and North America, they use UPVC as the material, as a major material for windows. Like in Germany, the market share is over 70%. It's because of the thermal performance. In international market, we have a special term in the thermal performance. That is U value. It means in a certain temperature difference from indoor to outdoor, in 1 minute, how much heat can transfer from indoor to outdoor. Only in UPVC window material, you have the lowest U value. Yeah, U value means the lower the better. Yeah, the lower the better. Now, even in Europe, in Germany, they introduced the concept of passive house. Means the whole house, yeah, your own house. You don't need any energy from outside. Yeah, only by your ground energy, your earth energy, and also by solar energy, you can support your own house consumption, your lighting, yeah, your own activity. So only with UPVC material it's possible that you build according to the standard of passive house. So this is the first advantage.
Okay.
Second advantage, soundproof. You can see in the chamber there are many chambers inside. So as a sound vibration, sound will transmit through vibration. UPVC as a kind of a polymer-based material. The sound vibration is much less than any metal.
Yes.
Much less than any metal. So it's much easier to build a soundproof window. Which is very, very important for any living community, for any house, individual house, or any house along the street,
yes,
or any house special application house like hospital. Patients will require those quietness.
Environment.
Yes, and also school. Yeah, students also want to study in a quiet environment. All of this is very important for the soundproof.
Okay.
Of course, actually for soundproof, glass will play a much major role.
Yes.
Yeah, in the soundproof. This will occupy around 75% of your soundproof result. Still, window frame will occupy another 25, which is also a kind of a considerable amount of this soundproof result.
Okay.
And the next one is fabrication professionalism. Comparing with normal aluminum, you can see normal aluminum, you don't need much professional factory. You only need to cut in 90 degree. On site, just on site you will do the assembly, yes. And then on site you will do the installation. You don't need any proper shed, proper workshop even. Yeah, but UPVC you need a proper workshop. You need a fabrication line. So this is a much more professional way to do it. And also, if you are talking about high-end aluminum, like thermal brick aluminum, in that case, at least your milling action, it will be very slow. The process is very slow.
Yes.
Yeah, so the efficiency is much more reduced. If you use a faster way, like punching, then you have to cleaning line. Only high-end window, high-end market will give you a long-term sustainability. If you go to any exhibition in Germany, like Fenstek, you will see the booth like Facade, Rehal,